All right, welcome back. So this is another challenge activity. It's complex sprite movement. This is titled Curve. It's part of code.org CS Discoveries. So the directions here say the plane is going up to avoid the first spike, but it flies off screen. In the draw loop, update its velocity y so that it pulls down to avoid the second spike. So if we run this right now, it just goes across the screen and all the way up and out. Okay, so what we want to do is if we look here, the velocity y, it's -9. So what we want to do is add something in here to make that, instead of go to -9, it's going to go -9, then -8, 7, and 6, and so on. So let's go ahead and drag this out here, and we'll do plane. And then we want to add to this because we want to change this negative number. We'll do plane, oops. So now here we need to, really kind of experiment with the numbers a little bit. So let's try 0.7. And that did not work for sure. Okay, so it didn't quite make it the full distance. Wouldn't want to be the pilot in that situation. Okay, so let's try 0.5. Still didn't quite make it that far. Let's try 0.1. That's not enough, so it didn't actually ever come down. How about 0.2? That's perfect. All right, so that's what we need to do right there. So basically all we're doing is changing this velocity, y, and each time the screen it does a loop here, it's adding 0.2 to this, so it'd be -0.8.8, -0.8.6, -8.4, and so on. It keeps going until eventually it's going to reach a point where now it's positive, and it's going to go that direction and go down. Okay? All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.